Yingbiriba Kwaipumna Okpu, Tenzing Pukumami Maikaidagi Kongno Kurumzari Amusung Taramno Okchari. Welcome to the finals of the Brainwave Quiz Season 2, which is sponsored by Toy Toy Adventure Park, Sangai Kai Telta Kalembam Konjin, St. Stephen Higher Secondary School Hyangthang, City Higher Secondary School Mayang Imphal, Nongin Institute of Tutorials Kunung Mamang, and we have our venue here, Debala Multipurpose Auditorium Sangai Bazaar. Ngasigi final gi akoi gi team ahumak akoi quiz ki mafam asida laizare. These teams have fought in the preliminary rounds, they have fought in the round 1, they have fought in the round 2, which are the semi-finals, and now they have finally come to the final stage of Brainwave quiz, and they are only one step ahead, one step to go for winning the crown and the title of Brainwave quiz season 2. The first prize will be given a cash prize of rupees 10,000. The second position will be given a cash prize of 7,000, and the third position holder will be given a cash prize of 5,000 with citation and also amazing gift vouchers. So let's move on and start our finals, that is Brainwave Quiz Season 2, the final episode. Team Ahumak akoi quiz mafam asida laizare. Team A, Little Flower School Sangai Pro. Team B, Memorial Model Academy Yaripok, and Team C dana Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur. We'll have a short introduction once again of all the team members. Team A dagi hogjage. Team A.
A very good afternoon to one and all. I am Monita, and I am a student of Little Flower School, and I am currently studying in class 10.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Catherine Thanajam, currently studying in class 9 of Little Flower School.
I myself Sanasam POZ Standard 10 representing Memorial Model Academy School.
My name is Nusisna. I study in Standard 10 and representing from Memorial Model Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. I myself Miraz Samad from Nilong Tamia, studying in 9 Standard, and I am representing Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur.
My name is Nancy. I am in 10 Standard. I am representing Standard Robert Higher Secondary School.
Okay, thank you so much. Team A, B, and C, and all the best for the finals. Let's see who wins this contest. So we'll start with the rounds of the episode. That is, in the first round, we have the general awareness round. The second round is the current affairs and IT round. The third round is the audio and visual round. The fourth round is the home round. Fifth round is the mixed bag round. Sixth round is the buzzer round, and finally we'll have the rapid fire as usual. So, are we ready? Okay, let's start with the finals of the first round. The first round, that is the general awareness round, which is also called the introductory round. Each team will given 2 chances to answer. Each question will have 2 options, 2 chances of options, and 4 options will be there. Ahan bagi chance adu da karigumba chumna khumbiragadi, you'll be rewarded 10 points, and if not, you'll have another 10 seconds to answer your question, and you'll be rewarded 5 points if you answer correctly. These questions will not be passed on to the next team. So let's start with the introductory round, general awareness round, and also the account opening round. We'll start with Team A, Little Flower School Sangai Pro. Team A, screen da question manga leire. Let's choose your question.
3.
3. Your question is, in which state is the largest zoo located? Your options are A, Gujarat, B is Tamil Nadu, C is Assam, and D is New Delhi. Your time will start now.
C.
C, Assam, is the wrong answer. You have 10 seconds more and 3 options.
A.
A is Gujarat, and it is also the wrong answer. The question, in which state is the largest zoo of India located? The answer is option B, which is Tamil Nadu, Arignar Anna Zoological Park. All right, moving on to Team B. Team B, question Mari Lady. Question Mari is the karamba question can be gani.
1.
1. Okay, your question is, apart from the parrot, which is the only other creature that can see behind without turning its head? Option A, rabbit. Option B is peacock. C is dove. And option D is deer. You have 10 seconds.
Option A, rabbit.
Option A, rabbit, is the correct answer. So congratulations, Team B. Team B na yam chumna khumbirai. Now we'll move on to Team C. Team C, Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. You have 3 options left.
5.
5. The question is, who was the first musician to receive Bharat Ratna? Option A, A.R. Rahman. B is Zakir Hussain. C is M.S. Subbalakshmi. And D is Bismillah Khan. Your time will start now.
D. Bismillah Khan.
D. Bismillah Khan is not the correct answer. So you have one more chance and 10 seconds more.
A.R. Rahman A.
A.R. Rahman, option A, is also not the correct answer. The correct answer is the Carnatic singer of Tamil Nadu, that is option C, M.S. Subbalakshmi. So, with that, we have come to the end of the first round, General Awareness round. Asi loikraba matungda mathangi round, Current Affairs IT round asida muk laksage. Current Affairs ka IT round asida di akogi team khudimak asida direct question amamam khanbagi chance pizagani, and the question will not have any options. You have to answer directly within 10 seconds. If you answer correctly, you will be rewarded 10 points. And if not, the question will be passed on to the next team. If the next team answers correctly, they will be given a point of 5 as bonus. We'll start with Team B. Current Affairs and IT round. The first question goes to Team B. You have 5 options to choose. Which one would you select?
5.
5. Who is the present Railway Minister of India? You have 10 seconds. Time's up. The question goes to Team C. Team C, who is the present Railway Minister of India?
Piyush Goyal.
Piyush Goyal is not the correct answer. Team A, who is the present Railway Minister of India?
Pass.
Passed. Okay. The correct answer for this question, who is the present Railway Minister of India, is Shri Ashwani Vaishnav. Okay, so Mathangi question is for Team C. Team C, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which one would you go with?
2.
2. Your question is, which Indian city hosts the 4th Bangladesh Film Festival in 2022? Your time will start now.
Kolkata.
Kolkata is the right answer. So congratulations, Team C. The city that hosted the 4th Bangladesh Film Festival in 2022 is Kolkata, and they have been rewarded with 10 points for the correct answer. The last question goes to Team A for the second round. Second round, the last question, Team A, please choose your question.
1.
1. Your question is, what is the name of the software program used to see web pages? Your 10 seconds will start now.
Web browser.
Web browser is the correct answer. So Team A, congratulations. The correct answer is web browser. So round 2 gi current affairs of the IT round, the team ahumakna answer PB kraba matungda. Let's see what is the score. All the 3 teams, that is Team A, Little Flower School Sangai Pro, Team B, Memorial Model Academy Yaripok, and Team C, Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur, have scored 10 points, and they are running in the same position. So let's see who will lead in the next round. Round 3 tamulak sarge. Round 3 asidi audio and visual round ni. Audio and visual round asida will have 5 questions of choices. It may be audio or visual. Yamunna yengbiraga natraga tabiraga related question adugi answer within 10 seconds pibigadabani. If found correct, you will be rewarded 10 points, and if not, the question will be passed on to the next team for a bonus point of 5. So let's start with Team C. Team C, we have 5 options. What is your question?
4.
4. Audio ni, audio si yamunna tabiraga. Let's see what is the question.
We have to carry sick people on bamboo stretchers. because during rainy season, even if there is a road, it's impossible for any vehicle to take the road. So having seen a hard reality of life, there has always been something on my mind that I got to do something about it. Yes, as a kid there has.
Okay. Speech amakak tabi kare koi myam punna. Your question is identify the speaker, and they've also given a hint. Who is an IAS officer from Manipur? Your 10 seconds will start now.
Pass.
Passed. Pass to team A. Identify the speaker.
Pass.
Team B. 10 seconds.
Pass.
Okay. All the three teams have passed the question, and the answer for this question is Armstrong Pame, the miracle man of Manipur. Next question is for team A. Team A ki direct question ni 1, 2, 3 and 5. Choose your question.
5.
5. Okay, we see a visual. Your question is, what is this close-up image shown here? You have 10 seconds.
Pine cones.
Pine cones. The close-up image is of pine cones and it's the correct answer. So team A, congratulations for answering correctly. 10 points for team A. Last question for audio and visual round goes to team B. Team B, lemhoriba question sing asi 1, 2, amsung 3 ni. Karamba khanbigani?
3.
3. Your question is, this is hot water is ejected from inside the earth's surface and is mainly found in Iceland. What is this called? You have 10 seconds. Okay, time's up. The question will be passed to team C.
Pass.
Team A, what is this visual called?
Geyser.
Geyser is the answer given by team A and is correct. So team A, congratulations. Geyser, geothermal field. So bonus points of 0.5 to team A. Third round asi matang asida loikraba matungda, let us see what is the score once again. Score gi film yengaba matungda team C Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur amadi team B Memorial Model Academy Yaripok animakna point tara phangduna, they are running in the second position, and team A, which is the Little Flower School Sangai Pro, has lead with 25 points and is in the first position. We have lots of rounds to go and still yet to find out who will win this season's Brainwave quiz. So to find out, keep watching Impact TV. We'll take a short break. Welcome back, and you're watching Impact TV's Brainwave Quiz Season 2, the final episode, sponsored by Toy Adventure Park, Sangai Kaithel, Takhalembam Konjin, City Higher Secondary School Mayang Imphal, St. Stephen Higher Secondary School Hiang Thang, Nongin Institute of Tutorials, and we have in the venue Debela Multipurpose Auditorium of Sangai Bazaar. Third round loikraba matungda akhoi score gi fivam da Team C Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur, Team B Memorial Model Academy Yairipok na 10 points phangduna second position da lairi, aduga Team A Little Flower School Sangai Pro na 25 points phangduna, they are leading the chart. Mathangi round, home round amu laksarage. The fourth round is the home round. Akogi Manipur the best of question ngактani. We'll have 5 choice of question. Each question will be selected by a team. There will be no options. Option lairoi aduna within 10 seconds you have to answer directly. If your answer is correct, you'll be rewarded 10 points, and if it is not correct, we have to pass the question to the next team, which will be rewarded 5 points if answered correctly. So, fourth round, home round. We'll start with Team A. We have 5 options. Which one would you select?
2.
2. Your question is, what is the full name of Mary Kom? You have 10 seconds.
Pass.
Okay. Team B, what is the full name of Mary Kom?
Mangte Chungnejang Mericom.
Mangte Chungnejang Merikom is the correct answer. So Team B has answered very correctly. Bonus points of 5 given to Team B. Team B dong lagsage Team B ki direct question ni. We have 4 options left. 1, 3, 4 and 5. Please select your question.
1.
1. Your question is, it is the conical temple of Lord Vishnu built in 1467 during the reign of King Kyamba. Name the mandir and where is it located? You have 10 seconds.
Vishnu Temple at Vishnupur.
Vishnu temple at Vishnupur is the correct answer. So Team B, congratulations. Yam chumnu khumbirei. 10 points for Team B. Mathangi direct question asidi akoi Team C dani. Team C, you have 3, 4 and 5.
3.
3. Kutho is the festival of which community of Manipur? You have 10 seconds.
Cookie.
Cookie is not the correct answer, so we'll pass the question to Team A. Kutho is the festival of which community in Manipur?
Kabui.
Kabui is also not the correct answer. Team B.
Naga.
Naga is also not the correct answer. We wanted the precise answer, so the answer is Anals. The Anal communities, Kutho is moigi festival, community dugi festival makalamani. So that was all for the 4th round, that is the home round. 4th round, home round is loiba matungda score yengma matamda akoigi Team C Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur na 10 points pangduna, they are in the 3rd position. And Team A and B, Little Flower School Sangai Pro, aduga Team B, Memorial Model Academy of Yairipok. Same points, 25 points pangduna, they are now in the top of the chart. Let's see mathangi round singda kanan hengat ke hado mayam punni yengminasi. Mathangi round asidi round 5, that is the mixed background. Mixed background asida will have 5 questions as usual. Every team will get a chance to choose a question. Question khudima ki option mari laigani. Option mari dudagi karigumba achumba answer do khumbirakpa taragadi will reward you 10 points. If not, the question will be passed on to the next team. Next team na khumbirakpa taragadi, they will be given a bonus point of 5 points. We'll start with Team B. Team B dagi haujage. Team B, we have 5 questions to choose.
2.
2. Your question is, the Yarlung Zangbo River in India is known as option A, Ganga, option B is Brahmaputra, option C, Indus, and option D is Mahanadi. You have 10 seconds.
Option number C, Indus River.
Option number C, Indus, was the answer chosen by Team B and is wrong. So Team C, what is your answer?
D.
D, Mahanadi, is also wrong. So Team A, last chance for you.
B. Brahmaputra.
B, Brahmaputra. The Yarlung Zangbo, also known as the Xiang, and also Brahmaputra is the correct answer. So Team A, congratulations for the bonus point. 5 points for Team A. Team C the mulang sage. Team C ki direct question ni. We have 1, 3, 4 and 5 to be selected.
1.
1 kanbirei. Your question is, which one is India's first remote sensing satellite? Option A, INSAT 1A, B, GS-80-1, C, PSLV D3, and D is IRS 1A. You have 10 seconds to answer.
C.
C, which is PSLV D3, is wrong. So we'll pass the question to Team A. Team A, the lakchage, what is your answer?
D.
D, which is the IRS 1A, launched on the 17th March of 1988. Congratulations, Team A. Once again, bonus points for Team A, that is 5 points. The last question is also for Team A. Team A, 3, 4 and 5 ni. Which one would you go with?
4.
4. Your question is, when did Chauri Chaura incident took place? Option A, 1922. Option B is 1925, C 1930, and D is 1915. Your 10 seconds will start now.
A. 1922.
A 1922. Okay, it is the correct answer. So 4th February 1922 at Gorakhpur district, Chori Chorao took place. So congratulations once again, Team A. You have been rewarded with 10 points. Mathangi round muk lakchage score asidi akhoi 6th round loir matungda muk reveal tokjarage aduna let us go on with the rounds. 6th round, buzzer round, the most interesting round. Buzzer round asida will have 7 questions. 7 questions. See, I'll be displaying the questions. I'll not be reading out patho aroy. Then once the questions are displayed, mang the lady buzzer adu akhangba team duna khwaidagi hana nambiba team adu da akhoi answer se pinanaba chance du pizagani. If your answer is correct, you will be rewarded 10 points, and if the answer is incorrect, you will be rewarded with a negative point of -5. So get ready. We have the 6th round, that is the buzzer round, and we have 7 questions in front of us. We'll go with question number 3. Okay, B, what is your answer?
Due to salinity of water.
Due to the salinity of water is the correct answer. So congratulations, Team B. The question is, swimming is easier in seawater than in river water. Why was the question? Due to the salinity, which gives the property to be the denser medium. So I'll have to give 10 points to Team B. Team B ne am chumnu khumbere. Now the next question will go with question number 4. Okay, A ga B na buzzer nambirak pani, but Team A was the first one to press the buzzer. Please answer.
Alchemy.
Alchemy. The question is, what was chemistry in ancient times called? And Team A has answered with alchemy and is the correct answer. Team A, congratulations. Now we are left with 5 questions. Question mga katamak ngaire. So everyone be alert and be ready to answer your questions. We'll go with question number 7. Okay, A, answer please.
Germination.
Germination. The question is, the growing of a baby plant from a seed is known as. Team A has given us the answer of germination and is the correct answer. Congratulations once again to Team A. We'll move on to the next question. Be ready, be alert, and read the question carefully before you press the buzzer. We'll go with question number 2. Okay, A and B have pressed, but A was the first one to press the buzzer. What is your answer?
In the mouth.
In the mouth. The question is, how do crocodiles carry their young ones? So it is said that crocodile can carry at least 15 babies at once in their mouth. So the answer is correct. Team A, once again, congratulations. We have 3 more questions left. So we'll go with question number 6. A.
Oasis.
Oasis. The question is, what is a fertile place in a desert called? Team A has answered with oasis and is correct. So Team A, once again, 10 points for you. Last 2 questions of the buzzer round. We'll go with question number 1. Team C na buzzer zinambire. Team C, what is the answer?
Finland.
Finland. Finland is the correct answer. So 10 points for Team C. Congratulations. The question is, which place is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? At least 55,000 lakes are there in Finland. So answer is correct. 10 points for Team C. The last question of the buzzer round. So everyone be ready and let's have a look. Okay, the time's up. Aduna team ahumaktagi buzzer se laktre. The answer for the question, which is the world's largest credit card issuer company, and the answer is Visa International. So with that, we have come to the end of the sixth round, that is the buzzer round. And before moving on to the last and final round of this episode, we'll look at the score. Team C, that is Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur, with 20 points are in the third position. Team B, Memorial Model Academy Yaripok, with 35 points is in the second position. And Team A, Little Flower School Sangai Pro, with 85 points, they have lead, is only one step behind to win the crown of the Brainwave Quiz Season 2. Now, Mathangi round, the last round, rapid fire round. Rapid fire round is the any team can come up and score their marks. Rapid fire round is the question set mari legani. Question set mari asida koi na question set amamam da question manga legani. Each set will be answered, have to be answered within 60 seconds. 60 seconds ki manung da question manga mag ado answer to bigadabani. For the correct answers, you will be rewarded 5 points, and for incorrect answers, there will be no negative marking. So, we'll start with the final rounds of the last episode of Brainwave Quiz Season 2. We'll start with Team C. Team C, Team C set mari ni lerisi. Which one would you go with?
2.
Okay, 2. Here it starts. What is the Japanese art of growing dwarf trees and shrubs in pots called?
Pass.
Next question. Trees which shed their leaves annually are called?
Pass.
Third question. When is Army Day celebrated in India?
2nd January.
Wrong. Next question. What is the process used in wine making?
Fermentation.
Correct. Last question. Scurvy is a condition caused by the lack of which vitamin?
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C. Correct. Team C, they have got 2 answers correct. I'll reveal the answers first. What is the Japanese art of growing dwarf trees and shrubs in pots called? The answer is bonsai. Trees which shed their leaves annually are called deciduous trees. When is Army Day celebrated in India? Very close. It is 15th January every year. And fourth, what is the process used in winemaking? Fermentation. And scurvy is a condition caused by the lack of which vitamin is vitamin C. With 2 answers answered correctly, Team C will now move on to Team A. Team A, we have set number 1, 3, and 4.
1.
1. Here it goes. What does SIM in the SIM card stand for?
Pass.
Next question. The movement of people from one place to another is called?
Migration.
Correct. Next question. Which longitude is known as the prime meridian?
Equator.
Wrong. Heat from the sun reaches the earth by means of?
Radiation.
Correct. Quinine medicine is extracted from which plant?
Chincona.
Correct. I'll first reveal the answers. What does SIM in the SIM card stand for? That is Subscriber Identity Module. The movement of people from one place to another is called migration. And which longitude is known as the prime meridian? Which longitude? I will need 0 degree longitude. Now, heat from the sun reaches the earth by means of radiation. And quinine medicine is extracted from which plant? That is cinchona. I will not be revealing how many correct answers they have got, but still then we'll look at the scores at last. We'll move on to Team B. Team B, Team B. This is the last question of the final episode. So Team B, you have 2 sets to choose.
3.
3. Here it goes. What is the length of the wicket pitch in cricket?
22 yards.
Correct. Rabindranath Tagore won Nobel Prize in Literature for his collection of poems called?
Gitanjali.
Correct. What is the duration of 0 hour in Lok Sabha?
1 hour.
Correct. Where is the world's tallest railway bridge spire?
Jiribam Railway Line.
Correct. And what is the full form of DOA?
Dead on arrival.
Correct. So, Team B na question loinamak yam chumna khumbirei, but once again, what is the length of the cricket pitch in cricket? It's what is the length of the wicket pitch in cricket is 22 yards. Rabindranath Tagore won Nobel Prize in Literature for his collection of poems called Gitanjali. What is the duration of 0 hour in Lok Sabha is 1 hour, and what is the world's tallest railway bridge spire is Manipur, that is Imphal Jiribam line, answered correctly. And what is the full form of DOA is dead on arrival. Congratulations Team B. With that round, we have come to the end of the 7th round and also the end of Brainwave Quiz Season 2. Akoigi winner si lauthokjingai mangjongna akoina winner sing asigi reward adu mayamda amuk hana ningsingjage. The cash prize of rupees 10,000 will be given to the winner of Brainwave Quiz Season 2, which is sponsored by Nongin Institute of Tutorials. The second position will be given a cash prize of rupees 7,000, sponsored by St. Stephen Higher Secondary School, Hyangthang. And the third position holder will be given a cash prize of rupees 5,000, sponsored by City Higher Secondary School, Mang Imphal. And this venue, location, hall, sound and light were sponsored by Toy Toy Adventure Park, Sangai Kaitel, Takelambam Konjil. So thank you so much to all the sponsors. And now let's have a look at the score. Team C, that is Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur na 30 points phangduna third position gi mana lawkhre. Aduga Team B, Memorial Model Academy Yaripok na 60 points phangduna second position de leire, and the winner of this Brainwave Quiz Season 2 goes to Team A, that is Little Flower School Sangai Pro, with 100 points. So congratulations Team A, and also to Team B and C. You have done wonderfully very well. So thank you so much for participating. Aduga now we'll have your rewards. Winner sing asisida third, second, amadi first ahumakta prize in thokpagi tanjadu lauzage. So I would like to request all the teams to please come up in front of your podiums. First, we'll take this opportunity to give away the gift vouchers. Gift vouchers agi hana haujage. Gift voucher asi yenthokpinaba akoigi stage mathak sida Mr. Raju Konthauzam, coordinator of Brainwave Quiz. Please come up on the stage to give away the gift vouchers. Okay, from the third position, that is Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. And next to Team B, the second position, that was Memorial Model Academy Yaripok. And to the winner, Team A, that is Little Flower School Sangai Pro. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Raju Konthauzam, the man behind the Brainwave Quiz. Mathangi gift asidi akoigi citation ni, citation asibu akoigi winner sing asida lanthokpinaba stage takisda Mr. Kumanthem Kelendro, Director Coordinator Impact TV bu kokachari, please. Slide the video. Okay. The citation will be given first to the third position, Mr. Miraj Ahmed and Miss Konthauzam Nancy of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. And next is the second position, Mr. Sanasam Priyojit Singh and Miss Nahapam Nushisana Devi. They are of Memorial Model Academy, Yaripok. Second positions. Next, the citation will be given away to the winner of Brainwave Quiz Season 2, to Miss Monita Laishram and Catherine Thongnauzam of Little Flower School, Sangai Pro. Thank you so much, sir. So That was Mr. Kumantham Kalendro, the Director Coordinator of Impact TV. Now, the last award, that is the cash prize, will be given to all the 3 teams. To give away the 3rd prize to Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, I would like to request a representative of City Higher Secondary School, Mayang, Imphal, to please come on stage to give away the cash prize of rupees 5,000 to the 3rd position holder. Standard Robert Higher Secondary School receiving the award of rupees 5,000 from City Higher Secondary School, Mayang, Imphal. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Mathangi asidi koi 2nd position holder Memorial Model Academy da award prize 7,000 asibu lantok pinaba koi gi St. Stephen Higher Secondary School Hiang Thangi representative amabu kokachari. Here is the 2nd position holder Memorial Model Academy Yaripok receiving a cash prize of 7,000 from St. Stephen Higher Secondary School Hiang Thang. Thank you so much, sir. And now, the winner of Brainwave Quiz Season 2 with a cash prize award of rupees 10,000, which is sponsored by Nongen Institute of Tutorials, will be given away by Mr. Kumantham Kalendro, Director Coordinator of Impact TV. So, sir, we'd like to request you to please come up on stage to give away the cash award. Here is the Little Flower School, the winner of Brainwave Quiz Season 2, receiving the cash prize of rupees 10,000 from Mr. Kumantham Kalendro, the Director Coordinator of Impact TV, and the cash award is sponsored by Nongen Institute of Tutorials. Thank you so much, sir. That was the end of the Brainwave Quiz Season 2. Mathangi season da anova contestants samadi anova teams anova schools singaloina amuka hanna Brainwave Quiz. Mayam puna meeting taminesi for this season, for this moment. I'll take a leave. And all the Impact TV viewers, thank you so much for watching Brainwave Quiz Season 2. This is Tenji Bukambam signing off.